morning, friends. Thought I'd bring you along with me today for a meat bird update. They got about 3.5 more weeks or so to go before they're due for butcher. So come along with me and let's do an update. Here they are. We lost one in the first 2 weeks, but these are the remaining 5 and they're getting big. They're looking for their breakfast. They see me and they say, "Food us!" So let's get them their breakfast. Here they go. Eating like they've never had food before. No wonder they get so big so fast. So there they are, guys. Maybe I'll add in a clip of seeing how much they each weigh. I'll bring the scale out and we'll see what they're weighing. All right. Okay. Whoops, sorry. So I'm going to try to give these little guys a weigh-in. All right, here we go. Now, let's see. I got this little, I'm hoping that I can fit them in there. It should be plenty big enough. But it's at just under 2.5 pounds with that on there. So let's see. See if I can. You won't be able to see what it weighs, but I will. Come here, Mr. Meat Meat. Okay. It says 8 pounds. So that means he's 5.5 pounds. Hey, honey. She's showing 6.25 pounds. So that puts her at about almost 4 pounds. It's all right. 7.5. So that puts her at 5 pounds. Oh, you weighed. Come here, other little boy. Okay. 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 You okay? Okay. 8.5, which makes him about 6 pounds. Eat that. Hi, come here. You gonna come out? You gonna come out? Just under 8, so that puts her just under 7.5. All at around close to 5 pounds each, with the exception of one. Not bad. And they still have, 8 weeks would be the 28th. So what do they got, another 2-3 weeks? Put on a little more weight. I think we got this. All right. Never be afraid to live your dream, because they can happen. Have an amazing day, and blessings to you and yours. Bye now.